Welcome back to a 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge. Today we're going to work on paper plane number 10, which is Little Nicky by Nick Robinson. This tutorial is presented by Wilson Lee. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to encourage people to connect more using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new to you every single week. This paper airplane, Little Nicky, is the 10th member of our 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge. We're entering the double digits, and we're 10% done. This 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge is where I go and find 100 different types of paper airplanes, ideally not so well known, and show you how to fold them. Once again, I'm trying to improve my videos so I can deliver higher quality tutorials to you guys. If you have any ideas on how I can improve these tutorials, please let me know in the comments. I'll be sure to read and reply. Alright, enough talking from me. Now let's begin the clip. If you've got an extra few minutes to spare, please check the video that's going to pop up on the screen. I'm pretty sure you're going to like it. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll be delivering something new to you every single week. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time.